kamote, andito tayo ngayon sa
Godauri.
Godauri na mga kamote. Welcome to Godauri mga kamote na walang ice. Yan.
Tourist na.
Orange na.
Hello guys, how are you?
Hi.
I want to share you paragliding fly. Fly with parachute is Alep Island together.
Paragliding?
See?
Oh my god. 1 minute. Can I think about it first?
This is really good experience.
Yeah. Yan mga kamote.
What a new experience.
Ito yung experience ni Mrs. Kamote. Ito na yung mga pinapanood lang natin sa mga YouTube tsaka movie na ganito, nagkaganito sila. Ngayon ginagawa na namin mga kamote. Usually we are only watching on TVs and YouTube mga kamote. Yan.
Pwede rin pala ipa-close pa balik.
Hindi, pabaliktad yan yata.
Kasi yung dalawang yung nakita. White Mountain. Kamote.
Ayan, mga mountain mga kamote. Pero napapansin ko walang bumabalik ah.
Meron na nakita kong dalawa.
Ah.
Balik. Kaya nga naka-close sila na ito. Naka-close na. Grabe, lamig na. Nangangatog na
Nasa
ako.
peak na tayo ng one mountain mga kamote yan. Sa pinakamataas na yun. Yan, nasa peak na tayo ng mountain
Godauri
yun.
Mountain.
Yan, nasa yun ang pinanggalingan namin mga kamote.
Layo.
Napaka-baba na yun. Sa atin napakataas na tayo.
Dito na tayo sa taas.
Yan, si Mrs. Kamote, hindi ko na
Nakakatog na ako. Ang lamig.
So yan, nasa ibabaw na tayo mga kamote ng mountain. Ice, mountain of ice. Malayo-layo pa pala.
Oo. Pag sinecheck mo lang yung map, parang ang lapit.
Ayan, oo nga.
Sulit na rin yung 20 lari. 20 lari.
Oh yeah, sa 20 lari pala mga kamote each. Bayan.
Sulit na.
Na napaka taas pa o yan. Yung mga bata na yun ay mga iba na nag-skate na yun, mga magagaling yan, expert na mga yun.
Ayun.
Kaya sa amin, expert lang kami umupo. Yun, mga expert na yun kasi may mga backpacks pa sa likod na ako nag-skate akalain.
Grabe, taas na.
Napakataas na natin mga kamote yan.
Nasa peak na kami kakamotes.
Yan. Experience mga kamote yan. Tigas oh.
Tigas nga.
Yan oh.
Dahan-dahan. Frozen.
Yan mga kamote. Bata ako. Pinapanood ko lang ito mga kamote. Yan si Mrs. Kamote.
One. Okay.
Yan mga kamote, ang paligid namin. Kulang pa ng ice.
Snowfall na. Woo!
Yes. Yes. Kamote nag-dine in. Dine in. Yan, nag-dine in sa gitna ng yelo mga kamotero. Yan. Woohoo! Mga kamote. Dito kami kumain.
Cao Marjon.
Dito ka sa gitna. Dito ako.
Balik na, kakamotes!
Balik na kami mga kamote. Pero sorry, hindi namin ma-open to. Kasi
Close na siya.
nag-close siya. Through our videos na naman, yan, makikita nyo naman na bababa na kami. Mga kamote. Pasensya na. Yan. Pero dapat, hindi na tayo, pwede yatang itong balik.
No, honey. Don't open it.
Ayan mga
It's
kamote.
automatic.
It's systematic automatic. Yan mga kamote.
Lahat ng babalik.
After all, na pumunta na kami sa pinaka-peak. Mga kamote, Miss Kamote yan.
Woo!
What an experience, Miss Kamote. Yan mga kamote. Tabayan na
What
lang.
an adventure experience. Oh, slowly.
Ay, video na iba natin yung one. Makikita naman eh. Yan. Ilalim mo, ang taas oh. Mga kamote, ito ang pangarap lang namin na maka-experience ng ice. So sorry.
No.
Snow pala. Sorry. Kasi sa yung ice, sa rep ko lang nakikita. Mga kamote, dito once in a lifetime na experience ko, medyo ignorante talaga mga kamote. Pasensya na kayo kasi nga akalain ko sa TV ko lang makikita nung araw. Ngayon na experience ko na mga kamote. Yan, pasi si Mrs. Kamote yan. Akala namin pitak lang ang aming na hahawakan sa aming probinsya mga kamote. Kasi mahirap lang naman kami. Kaya pitak tsaka buhangin. Ngayon sa tulong ng awa ng Diyos, yung napapanood namin na malamig na ganon, sa rep lang namin nakikita. So far, ngayon sa paligid na namin lahat ay mayroon ng snow mga kamote. Maraming salamat at meron kaming pagkakataon na napunta dito.
Thank you, Lord.
Yun ang mga pinapasalamat namin. Yan mga kamote. Hindi lang sa loob ng rep, La Germania tsaka G, yung ganun, tsaka Frigidaire mga kamote. Hindi lang yung nagtatak ganon. Yun experience na namin na nasa loob ng rep. Yan. Yan mga kamote yan. O yan. Ala tingnan nyo na. Yan. Lahat tayo nandyan na lang sa loob ng rep. So napakabuti ng mga tao dito. At nabuhay sila sa loob ng rep. Yan mga kamote.
See you in our...
Oh, natigil.
Woo! Sakto pa tayo sa taas.
Akalain mo nga naman natigil pa kami dito.
my
Walang
God.
kuryente. Yan mga kamote, natigil o lahat o.
Nasa taas pa naman. My God.
Di raw nakabayad ng DEWA. JEWA, Gregorian Electricity Water. Yan mga kamote. Natigil kami sa taas. Mga kamote.
Okay na, okay. Okay na ulit.
Okay na
Nakabayad
ulit.
na ng dewa.
Oh, online na lang kasi. Yan mga kamote. So, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nanonood at sa mga tumatangkilik sa aming video.
Ay, kakamote.
Mga kamote, this is Godauri.
Godari Mountain.
Godauri.
Yes. See you in our next itinerary.
Yes, Georgia.
Bye-bye.
Another again, mga kamote. Here with us is Alex.
Hello.
Our tourist guide.
Yeah. On the way to, can you say that one? Panoramic? Panorama.
Godari Panorama.
Godauri viewpoint, so-called French monument.
Oh, okay. French monument.
What is the reason why, Mr. Alex?
I will tell you.
When we reach there.
Yeah.
Again, there's no snow. A lot of snow there is. but you should walk a little bit inclined, mga kamote. As we go along, mga kamote, tignan mo nyo naman, umuulan na ng snow. Yan o. Ay naku, sarap. Taas na mga kamote.
Yan tayo galing.
Oo yan. Oh. Napakataas. Okay, now we're on the panorama. Guderi.
Go ahead, Mr. Alex.
The reason why there is a panorama Godauri.
Okay. So, in 1783, there was signed contract between Georgian King Erekles II and Russian government.
Okay.
That contract was for protection from Osman Empire.
Okay.
In that time, they protect us, but unfortunately, after 18 years, in 1801, they occupy us first time, Russia. And after 200 years, during Soviet Union, in 1983, they built up this friendship monument. Because it was Soviet Union, that was a union of 15 countries.
USSR before.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a
What we remember is USSR.
Yes, that's
union of
Union Soviet.
socialist,
Union Soviet
union of Soviet Socialist
Republic.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. That's the reason why they put this monument, like monument or trademark, landmark between peace to everyone.
Okay.
Yeah. Peace.
And nowadays also 20% of Georgia is occupied by Russia.
Nowadays.
Last war with them was in 2008.
Look at this area. This side, I don't know, but this side,
Saan ka ni? Naman na dyan. Mani, huwag ka naman na dyan.
that's the boundary maybe. No, there's a. Yan. Look at this side, mga kamote. Alex, this side is Russia.
Yeah, in a side.
This behind of this mountain is already Russia, kamote. And this side is Georgia. Northern?
More than that side.
This side. Yan mga kamote, kaya ginawa tong parang peace monument ng Georgia and Russia during that USSR Soviet Union. Yan mga, yan ang nagpapaliwating ng friendship between Georgia and Russia. Yan mga kamote. Yan mga kamote.
It has
2,388
388.
meters.
No, this place.
This place.
Yeah. Now we are.
Okay. It's very
This place will be 2,390.
2090. It's
Yeah.
like a peak of a mountain.
No, it is not big.
That is the peak more my peak.
Look, there is a mountain Kazbeki
Oh, that's big. Yeah.
or frozen. That side. It is not visible from here. It's
That area?
5,000.
Oh my God.
That side, yeah. At the border with Russia.
Okay.
That is 5,000. If you want to go there, you should climb.
Next time.
Maybe.
Thank you very much.
Not at all.
Sinasabi niya, kamote na napakataas talaga. Okay. Ito ang Panorama Godauri. It's a landmark for peace.
Snowing. That's on my face.
Yeah. That's the reason why
Snow.
they built this one for peace from Russia, if I'm not mistaken, and Georgia. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless everyone. Peace and love. Where are we now?
Ananuri,
Ananuri
Fortress.
Okay. And then
And do you see that bridge? In spring it will be covered by water. Yeah. And do you see the boat? Oh, the white.
That one.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
how many years now?
700 years.
700 years old.
Oh my God. Yan, pababa. Mula dun sa taas.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yan mga kamote, pumapasok na tayo sa
Ananuri
Ananuri
Fortress.
Fortress.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, it's snowing.
Snow, ice.
Everywhere.
Ice everywhere.
Camera is not allowed, but it's allowed. Mga kamote. What's inside is this one. Just watch na lang mga kamote dahil we're going to pick a picture lang. Ayan mga kamote. Dami yan. Dito sa labas mga kamote, ito. Madulasan eh. Yan yung kanya, likod niya mga kamote para makita nyo. Kaso walang no entry na sa kabila. Yan. Old Jerks. Sinabi lang na ano tawag doon?
Ananuri Fortress.
Fortress lang pero nandun pa rin yung mga old pa niya. Ito yung gilid niya mga kamote. Yan. Gilid ng
It feels like it's so
cold here. Yeah.
Yeah, because there's like
okay.
humidity inside. And also soil is wet.
Okay. That's why.
Why fortress? Like church also. Same like church.
Yeah, but the church was built 3 centuries later.
Okay.
This was a residency of Dukes of this area.
Ah, this like a
Yeah,
tomb.
grave.
Graves. Yeah. Yan, makikita nyo mga kamote yung tomb nila. Grave. Yan o. Ah, they have the resort also. Beach. Pag nag-melt na yung tubig, ay yung ice. On springtime, on summertime, maybe springtime not. Kaya mga kamote yan. Ito one of the place also na pupuntahan nyo dito sa papuntang Godauri. On the way to Godauri mga kamote. Pero pauwi na kami. Nadaanan lang namin. Makikita mo na very old na. Still snow is there.
Thank you for Turkish.
Yeah. This one, see? Mga kamote. Yan mga kamote. One place na madadaanan natin. Yun. For the ideas na rin sa mga nagta-travel dito sa puntang Godauri. It's Ananuri. Okay mga kamote. See you around. Till next vlog again. Thank you for watching. Say now, thank you for watching.
Thank you guys. Hiningal na ako.
Pag old na. Nandito tayo ngayon mga kamote sa Sikipali Cathedral yan. 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 Pasok tayo mamaya. Tignan natin. St. Relics of St. Andrew. Ayan siya. Ay, mistake. St. Gabriel to. St. Gabriel to.
Do you remember I told you about contract which was signed with Erekle II, Georgian king,
Yes.
and Russian king. So this is the grave of Erekle II.
Erekle the second. Oh, okay, that's the grave itself.
Yeah.
Oh. Grave of Erekle the second.
1798. And this one? Puro grave pala yan mga kamote.
This is also the head of king. King? Yeah.
Tomb yan.
Yeah. The grave itself.
Pati na dyan pa rin pala no.
He will tell the full story tomorrow. kamote dito na magtatapos ang aming day 2 sa Georgia, which is Catholic Cathedral.
Yan, mga mote.
Yeah. Third church that we visit here in Georgia. Yeah, so dito na mag-end ang aming day 2 Kakamates.
See you next.
See you on day 3.
And
Wait,
Mr.
and-
Alex.
and-
Not
Mr.
without me,
Alex.
don't finish without
Ah,
me.
yeah, of
Yeah.
course. Mr. Alex, thank you for this wonderful day.
God wanted
Yeah.
to come here,
Yes.
from us to come here,
Yes.
Yes.
and to make Tbilisi tour tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Yes. And Mr. Alex made it possible. Thank you, Mr. Alex.
Please like and share.
Welcome to Georgia.
Welcome to Georgia. Madlopa, Georgia.
Arab
Bye-bye.
peace. Arab peace.
Ara, please. Okay.